Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your your Netflix app. To know how to find a solution about Netflix app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the app of Netflix, as you see. Here in this page, you will find the list of app info and you will click first stop. We click OK. Then we will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.